Assalamu alaikum
Welcome back to
guys.
my channel Mathematics with BIAs. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I'm going to explain some questions taken from Oxford New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1. So the exercise number is 11A and the chapter name is Triangles. Before explaining, I would like to make you understand on types of triangles. As you can see on the picture, there are some triangles by side and by angle. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and by angle, acute triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? It is a type of triangle which has three equal sides. And what is isosceles triangle? It is a triangle which has two equal sides. And scalene triangle has no equal sides. And by angle, acute angle triangle is an angle which has three angles less than 90 degree. And right angled triangle is a type of triangle which has one angle equal to 90 degree. And obtuse angled triangle is a type of triangle which has one angle greater than 90 degree. So here comes question number 1. It says, for each of the following, given the sizes of angle A and angle B, sketch triangle ABC, find angle C, and hence classify the triangle according to the number of equal sides it has and the types of angles it has. For example, equilateral triangle and acute angled triangle. So the first part shows angle A is equal to 20 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. So now basically everyone knows how many angles are there in a triangle. There are only three, in which like two angles values are given already, and you just have to find the third angle. So everyone knows that the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to subtract the other two values by 180 to get the value of the third angle. So as I did it, I have subtracted 20 degree and 60 degree from 180 and I got the answer as 100 degrees. So the third angle is equal to 100 degree. So as they said in the question that we have to classify the triangle according to the number of equal sides and the types of angles. So by looking the triangle carefully, I came to know that this is a scalene triangle because none of the sides are same, and it is an obtuse angle triangle because one of its angle is greater than 90 degree. Now let's move towards the part 2 of question number 1. It says that angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle B is equal to 40 degree. So basically we have to follow the same steps done in part 1 of the question, part A in question number 1. So I have minused both values by 180 degree and I have got the answer as 70 degree. And by looking at the triangle carefully, I noticed that it is an isosceles triangle because none of its value is none of its angles sides are same. And secondly, it's acute angle triangle because none of the angle is greater than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. Now let's move towards the part C. So we have to follow the same steps, and let me read the part. It says that angle A is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 60 degree. So as I noticed, I hope you all have also noticed that both of the angles values are same. So now I followed the same steps done in the part 1 and 2. I have minused both values from 180 degree and I got the answer as 60 degree. So the third angle is equal to 60 degree. And by noticing this, I got that the both like all of the angles in this triangle are equal to same value, are equal to 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle and an acute angle triangle just because it has no side equal to 90 degree or greater than 90 degree. So let's move towards the part D. So it says angle A is equal to 42 degree and angle B is equal to 48 degree. Now I want you all to solve this part, and I'm giving you 20 seconds because it hardly takes 20 or less seconds to solve these easy questions. So giving you time, let's start now. So 20 seconds are over, and the one who has got the answer as 90 degree has got the correct answer, because by following the steps done in part A, B and C, I also got 90 degree by subtracting these both values by 180 degree. So the one who has got right answer, please let me know in the comment section below. So this is question number 2, and it says for each of the following, the given angle is the base angle of an isosceles triangle. Find the third angle of the triangle. So there are values given of an isosceles triangle. What do we mean by an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle is a type of triangle, as I told you before in the starting, that an isosceles triangle is a type of triangle which has two angles of the same value. So there is given one value of the base of the isosceles triangle, which means that the one of the angles of the triangle will be equal to 40 degree in the first part. So the third angle of the triangle, we have to find the third of the angle of the triangle, which is very simple. We have to follow the same steps followed in question number 1, and we just have to minus both of the values from 180 degree, because sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. As I have done in part A, I have subtracted both 40s, both angles, both value of angles from 180 degree, and I got the answer as 100. So the third angle is equal to 100 degree. Same goes for part 2, which says that the value of the base of the isosceles triangle is equal to 187 degree. So the other angle will also be equal to 87 degree, and we have to subtract these both angles, the both values from 180 degree, as sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and I got the answer as 6. So the third angle is equal to 6 degree. And the same goes for part C and part D. We have to follow the same steps, and we get the third answer of the third angle in part C as 150 degree and in part D as 22 degree. So let's move ahead. So this is question number 3, which says find the value of the unknown in each of the following angles. In the first part, you can see a small square kind of thing in the corner, in the angle of B, which is telling that is this sign kind of symbol kind of thing is showing that the this angle is equal to 90 degree. You can keep this as a key point, that whenever you see a small square kind of thing in any corner of an angle, that means that that angle is equal to 90 degree. So in the first part, the value is given as 39, and by the square we found that the angle B's value is equal to 90 degrees. So we have to add these all, and the sum of all angles in this triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we just have to subtract the both values, the both given values which we have found by 180 degree, and we have to leave A like this, because we cannot subtract letters from digits. So after subtracting both values, we just have to find the third value, and the third value by subtracting we got as 51 degree. So the angle C is equal to 51 degree. Same goes for part B. We have got two angles as 64 and 68, and the third angle which is given is 2B. So now we just have to find the value of B, and then we'll get the value of third angle. So sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. I'm again repeating, and we have to subtract 68 and 64 from 180 degree to find the value of B. So we'll leave 2 with B. We'll deal with that afterwards, later, when we are done with the subtraction. So after subtraction, we got the answer as 48 degree. So now we'll shift that 2 with the B degree to 48 degree hand side, and for this side, like in the previous side, it was multiplying. So after shifting it to this hand side, it will divide. So after dividing, we got the answer as 24 degree. So the value of B is equal to 24 degree. Now we have also found the third angle of this triangle, of the triangle in part B. So now moving towards part C, we have got two angles, two values of angles with letters. So one angle's value is 4C degree and the others is 3C degree, and the third one is 40 degree. So we have to find the angle or the value of C. Then we'll get to know both value. So both angles. So first of all, we have to minus the digit given, which is 40 degree from 180 degree, because everyone knows we cannot minus, we cannot subtract letters with 180 with digits. So when subtracting 40 from 180 degree, I got the answer as 140 degree. And I also added 3C with 4C, because obviously if there are letters, so we can add letters. So by adding 3C and 4C, I got 7C, and by subtracting from over this hand side, I got as 140 degree. Then I moved 7 to the other hand side so that the digit can be divided or they can be solved. So over this hand side, the 7 was multiplying with C degree, so after it will be shifted, it will be divided. So 140 divided by 7, I got the answer as 20 degree. So I found the value of 20 degree, and after that we can find the angles, but they only told to find the unknown of each of the following. So we'll leave it till here. So I have found 3 parts of this question, and the remaining 3 I'll solve, or I'll explain in my next video. Till then, thank you very much guys, and take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz everyone. See you in the next video. If you want me to explain any mathematic concepts of any book, so please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to mention the book's name, page number and question number and chapter number too. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.